What is a Social Security Disability electronic file? Now, for many years, the Social Security Administration used a color-coded paper file. It was organized into 6 documents, and the file folders were payment documents and decisions. The next folder was jurisdictional documents and notice. The next folder was current development and temporary non-disability development. There was a disability-related file. There were medical records files. And then ultimately, when the file was ready, any documents that were found in what was called the C section were purged and they were moved to the appropriate section. It was like a game of cards, if you will, with all these files running around. Social Security has moved to an electronic file system, and they've organized the documents the same way, just electronically. Now, just prior to a hearing, your representative will be given access to all the documents in that electronic file that are going to be admitted into evidence. Now, at Cavey Law, we review this exhibit list that's provided, and we're closely matching this and looking at it to make sure that your medical records have been properly exhibited. And if we find something's missing, we're going to supplement that electronic file with the missing material. Now, unfortunately, not everything that's electronically filed makes its way into the file or is placed in the proper file folders, much like the paper. So we're also reviewing any development done by the local state DDS office, including the medical reviews that they had and an occupational analysis that they did at the initial application stage. We're looking for consultative medical exams. And this is all important because it will help us understand why the claim was denied and will help us develop the necessary medical and other evidence to overcome that claims denial. So it helps me analyze what's going on, what needs to be submitted, and how to create a winning argument that establishes that you meet the 5-step sequential evaluation test that's used in every Social Security case. If you have any questions about your rights to Social Security disability benefits, call me today at 727-894-3188 for a complimentary consultation.